And after it begins to boil, we're going to let it go for about 15 minutes or, you know, until the water has darkened. Or until they've gotten tender. You can test it with your knife or with a fork, okay? I have a half of a chuck roast that I had in the freezer. It's still a little bit frozen, but it's okay. It'll cut better. Just gonna cut that big chunk of fat off, and we're gonna cut it into chunks. That's a little piece of fat right there. Get that off. See how I cut it? Just in little chunks. See if my pan is heated up. Gonna let it get a little warmer. There you go. I sprayed it with a little avocado oil. We're just gonna spread them out like this because we want them to sear. We want them to brown. Okay? So don't crowd your pan. It's stuck right now, but it'll come loose. Yeah, loosened up. There you go. And we're going to brown them all up the same way. So in here I'm going to add a piece of onion. And I have 3 cloves of garlic. Gonna let it go for about 10 more minutes. I added a few onions to the meat while it was cooking just to give it more flavor. I'm gonna add it. I'm gonna turn that off too because they're ready. I'm gonna add it to these peppers over here. Peppers and onions and garlic. Let me add some. Oh, I'm sorry. I just want to add some to the pan so we can get it. Oh yeah, we're going to use all that. That's deliciousness. See how that comes off? Mm-hmm. We're just going to add it into our peppers. Okay, we're going to add it into the Vitamix. All of it. Gonna add a little bit in. A little bit more. Gonna add some garlic, pepper, and it has a little salt in here too. Not too much. And we're gonna add some cumin. Some cumin. bit. That was just a couple of shakes, and I'll taste it, and if I think I need more, then I'll add more. Let's see what we got here. Taste it. Let's add some more of this. Matter of fact, oh, made a mess. Hey, that. Gonna add it all. We're just gonna let it go till it's nice and pureed, okay? Okay. Make a mess, and I know I'm cooking. Can you tell me that you see that? Taste it. I think it needs a little more flavor. See how nice and smooth that is? Ooh. A little spicy too. I'm gonna add some more of this garlic pepper. Remember, you gotta be careful how you put it in there, because once you get it there, it's there. They used to try all type of stuff, like we'll just put a potato in, and the potato will absorb all the salt. Don't believe it. And I have some Sazon. I'm gonna add some Sazon too. We're gonna let that go again to get that mixed up. We're gonna taste it, and hopefully we'll be good to go. So I'm going to add a few more things to it. Because I tasted it and I felt like it needed it. Let me cut this top off. I rinsed this little Roma tomato. I'm just going to put it in here. Oops. I'm going to add a little bit of tomato sauce. Just a little bit. I'm gonna add the rest of this Sazon packet. I guess I would say I have a few more onions here. Don't want to waste them, so I'm just gonna throw them in. I'm gonna add a pinch of oregano. Just a pinch. And a pinch more of cumin. There it is. I'll let this go for about another minute. Yum. Did you see? Did you see how smooth it is? Okay. So here in this pan, I got to heat it up a bit. The meat that we browned up. And it's beautiful. Okay, what I do with my, here it is. I got it turned up. Mm-hmm. all in there. We're going to bring it up to a boil. Let me taste it again. That's good. Just a hint of spice. Just like I like it, not too much. But we're going to bring it up to a boil. And then we're going to cover it. We're going to turn it down to a simmer. And let it simmer for about 45 minutes to an hour maybe. I have a little chili seasoning that I've mixed, that I put together. I don't even remember what's in here, honestly. And that's a little bit. There's no salt in it. You know that much. And let me mix this together, and then I'm going to add the, it's up to a boil, so I'm going to bring it down. I'm going to add the, it's pretty good. The bay leaves. Goodness, goodness, goodness. Here's my top. I'm just going to let it simmer, like I said, for about 45 minutes to an hour. Okay, it's been about an hour and 15 minutes or so. I just let it cook on low, slowly. And it's tender. Let me let you see. You know, I've been tasting. Get a little small piece. And that's what you have to do. You have to taste until it's, you know, to your desired likeness. And you also have to cook it until it's your desired tenderness. So we're going to give it a taste. It's hot. Ooh. I'm going to make some rice, maybe some beans or something with it. I'm not sure, but it's tender, but I want it to melt in my mouth. So I'm going to let it cook for probably another 30 minutes. But I'd like to say thank you all for watching. And don't forget to pray. Later.